What are you doing to minimize air, land, and water pollution?
Hi, I'm Leslie Mamuad. I'm Liam's mother. I am a municipal solid waste management board member, and I have a junk shop business which I spread awareness regarding air, water, and land pollution. What am I doing to help lessen or at least minimize these problems? Well, my junk shop basically is offering recycling, reusing, and repurposing and upcycling of the materials discarded by the individuals. So, through my Soaring Fairies Junk Shop business, I am spreading awareness, influencing people's, individuals, communities, and schools to help the environment by recycling. And I also conduct solid waste management free seminar to communities and schools and to younger generations. As a solid waste management board member of our municipality, I make sure that every meeting, quarterly meeting, I contribute to what will be best for the municipality to prevent air, water, and land pollution by helping them, giving them idea on how to approach these kinds of pollution through my experience having a junk shop. And just like what we did last month, we conducted waste analysis and characterization study. This study helps the municipality regarding the waste diversion. It will be a big help for our municipality to identify which or how many percentage of the garbage can be recycled and how many percentage are residuals and can be put in our landfill. This way, our municipality will be able to identify plans on how to resolve our problem with garbage, and this will follow resolution for air, water, and land pollution. So that's what I do. As a board member of Municipal Solid Waste Management here in Montalban, I make sure that I contribute for them to be able to have another idea from a different avenue, from a different perspective, from a perspective of a junk shop owner. And as a junk shop owner, I make sure that I spread awareness to younger generations so that they will be able to understand that it is them who is supposed to be taking good care of the environment, their generation. Thank you. I hope I was able to give you the idea of how influencers and leaders are doing to help resolve air, water, and land pollution. Thank you.